I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've noticed a charge on your PNC bank card that you didn't make, disputing it can feel overwhelming. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review your transactions. Check your recent transactions to confirm the charge is indeed fraudulent. Make sure to gather all relevant details, including the date, amount, and merchant name. Step 2. Contact PNC Bank. Call the customer service number on the back of your card or log into your online banking account to report the fraudulent charge. Be ready to provide the details you gathered in Step 1. Step 3. File a dispute. Follow the prompts from the customer. File a dispute. Follow the prompts from the customer service representative to formally dispute the charge. They may ask you to fill out a dispute form, either online or via email. Step 4. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account for any updates regarding your dispute. PNC Bank typically investigates disputes within a specific time frame, so be patient.